Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A new opportunity guys on GUMMY on Solana, a new airdrop that's coming. It's $1 million. Yes, you heard right, $1 million. So before giving the last update, so let's go to the DEX tool and see how GUMMY is trading today. You can see here it's trading at 0.083 and it's down 6%. The market cap is $83 million. The liquidity is 2.49 million. The volume, the 24-hour volume is 2,053,000. So why it's dipping? First, the market is on red today. Plus, everybody was waiting for the staking platform to be delivered last Friday. But they said that they have some problems. It's not a problem, that's just they're waiting for the contract to be audited. Like this, they will be on the safe side before launching Bake. So everybody was waiting on Friday, so nothing happened on Friday. They said before Monday, and nothing happened before Monday. And now this says is before Wednesday. So everybody is waiting for the platform to stake their GUMMY and get more airdrop. And I show you guys in my previous video how to get qualified for the airdrop step by step. What you have to do, you just have to go to my channel and you can see here step by step guide how to be eligible. And one of the things that you will be eligible for is to use the deBridge. So today I'm gonna show you how you can be qualified to get the deBridge airdrop, because you're gonna get two airdrops on deBridge. You're gonna get the airdrop from the GUMMY tokens and you're gonna get the airdrop from deBridge. So how you can do it? Because I did a mistake and I try to figure out how can I get the airdrop. So what you have to do first, you have to connect here your Phantom wallet. Make sure to connect your Phantom wallet. That's how you're gonna get the airdrop. So if you do it this way, if you try to go send from ETH to Solana, your Coinbase or MetaMask is gonna be showing on the top. That means it's a ETH address, not a Solana address. The only way you're gonna get the airdrop, it's by sending Solana to any exchanges or anywhere you want. You want to switch Solana for ETH, you want to switch it for Binance, you want to switch it for Polygon, Arbitrum, wherever you want. Make sure that the wallet you're gonna put in here, it's a Solana wallet, not an ETH wallet, not a Binance wallet, a Solana wallet. And how you can use this one? You have to connect your Solana here wallet, and like let's pretend you want to send one Solana, and it's gonna show you here how many ETH you will get here. And then you have, after you connect your wallet, so let's use my dummy wallet here. Okay, Phantom. Let's put my, I don't think somebody gonna see this one. Okay. Connect, confirm. You can see here, now it's connected, right? What you're gonna do, you're gonna send like one Solana from your wallet, your Solana wallet. That's how you're gonna get the airdrop if you connect here your Solana wallet. And then you're gonna send you're gonna bridge Solana to ETH base. So you're gonna get 0.04, and then you have to put here the address for the where you're gonna receive the ETH. So make sure that you're sending Solana to somewhere else, not the opposite. You're gonna see here, if I switch it like this, you see my Solana address is gone. That means I have to put an ETH address in here. If I switch it back, you're gonna see here my Solana address is showing here. So what happened when you're gonna send Solana, you're gonna bridge Solana anywhere else, you're gonna earn points. So these points, that's how you're gonna get the airdrop from GUMMY. They're gonna send 1 million gummies to airdrop for everyone using the deBridge. So the most points you get here, the most GUMMY airdrops you will get from GUMMY again and from deBridge. That means 2 airdrops, not only 1. And if you would like, and another thing again, because in my previous video I forgot to mention that if you buy Toker and you hold it in your wallet, you're gonna be airdrop GUMMY if you hold $100 of Toker in your wallet. So how you gonna find Toker? You're just gonna go here, right down here, Toker, and you're gonna see here, this is the first one. What you're gonna do here, you're just gonna go to this contract address and you go to redeem, and you're gonna flip, or you're gonna swap Solana for Toker and keep it in your wallet. So soon as they take the screenshot of your wallet, you can do whatever with your Toker. It's your money. It's free money, guys. Everything is free with GUMMY airdrop. So before doing anything or sending anything, make sure you're using the right address, the right links. And on my previous video here, step-by-step guide how to be eligible, I have all the links you need, and I'm gonna put them in my description box on this video too. So guys, this is not a financial advice. This videos is for information and education only. I'm just giving you the latest update about GUMMY, what's going on, and how you can be eligible to get the airdrops. So if there is any update or any news about GUMMY, I will do a video how to do things, how to get the airdrops, and how to do the staking. So don't hesitate to subscribe and like this video for you to get the latest updates and don't miss anything. So it's a new opportunity, guys, new airdrops, so don't hesitate to take it. It's free. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.